If you're someone who enjoys hosting seafood boils, preparing tamales, or making hearty soups, the ARC 12-quart aluminum tamale steamer pot is the perfect addition to your kitchen. This multi-purpose pot offers both high performance and versatility, ensuring that all your cooking needs are met with one convenient tool. Let's dive into the features that make this steamer and stockpot combination truly stand out. Click the link in the description below to check out the full product specifications and grab yours today. Why choose the ARC 12-quart tamale steamer pot? The ARC 12-quart aluminum tamale steamer pot is a multifunctional cookware designed to handle a variety of cooking tasks. Whether you're steaming tamales, boiling seafood like crab and crawfish, or even frying fish or chicken, this steamer pot is up for the challenge. Here's why it's a must-have for anyone who loves versatile, high-quality kitchen gear. Number 1. Premium aluminum construction for even heating. One of the standout features of the ARC 12-quart aluminum tamale steamer pot is its construction. Made from high-quality aluminum, this stock pot offers excellent heat conduction, which means your food cooks quickly and evenly. No more waiting forever for your pot to heat up, or dealing with hot spots that can cause uneven cooking. The aluminum material is both lightweight and durable, making this pot easy to handle and long-lasting. Number 2. Removable steaming rack and steam tube for even cooking. When it comes to steaming, the ARC Tamale Steamer pot truly shines. The removable steaming rack and steam tube are designed to provide even heat distribution throughout the pot, ensuring that your tamales, seafood, and vegetables cook evenly. The steam tube helps distribute the steam through the pot efficiently, ensuring that food gets the right amount of heat without overcooking or undercooking any part of the dish. This results in perfectly steamed tamales, crab, and seafood every time. Number 3. Versatile cooking capabilities: steam, boil, fry, and more. The ARC 12-quart aluminum tamale steamer pot isn't just limited to steaming. It is a multi-purpose cookware that can also be used for boiling seafood, frying fish or chicken, and even cooking up large batches of soup or pasta. Simply remove the steaming rack and tube to convert the pot into a stock pot for boiling, frying, or sautéing. The versatility of this pot makes it a true all-in-one solution for a wide range of cooking styles. This means you won't have to clutter your kitchen with multiple pots or worry about which one to use for different dishes. Number 4. Cool grip handle for safe, easy handling. When cooking with hot liquids or steaming food, it's essential to have a handle that provides a secure, cool grip. The ARC Tamale Steamer pot features a non-slip, ergonomic handle that stays cool to the touch, even when the pot is heated. This makes it easy to safely transport your pot from stove to countertop, or from the stove to the serving table. Number 5. Elegant and shiny design. In addition to its functional features, the ARC 12-quart tamale steamer pot is designed with style in mind. The smooth, shiny surface gives the pot a sleek, elegant look that will complement any kitchen decor. Whether you're cooking for a dinner party or preparing a family meal, this pot looks great on the stovetop or dining table. Number 6. Ideal for gas and electric stoves, not for induction. The ARC Tamale Steamer pot is compatible with gas and electric stoves, making it suitable for most home kitchens. However, it is not induction compatible, so if you have an induction cooktop, this pot may not be the right fit. It's always important to consider your stove type before purchasing, but for most traditional gas and electric stoves, this steamer will work perfectly. Number 7. Easy to clean with simple maintenance. After a long cooking session, cleaning can feel like a chore. Fortunately, the ARC Tamale Steamer pot is designed to be easy to clean. Simply hand wash the pot with warm water and mild dish soap, and it will be ready for the next use. While this pot is not dishwasher safe, it is relatively low maintenance and won't require extensive scrubbing. To maintain its sleek appearance and prevent discoloration, it's also recommended to boil water with lemon juice in the pot occasionally to remove any dark buildup caused by high heat or minerals in the water. Number 8. Large 12-quart capacity for big meals. The 12-quart capacity of this steamer pot is perfect for large cooking tasks. Whether you're preparing a large batch of tamales, boiling seafood for a crowd, or making enough soup for the entire family, this pot provides plenty of space to accommodate your cooking needs. Its large size makes it ideal for gatherings, ensuring you can cook enough food to feed everyone without having to do multiple batches. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.